Today we're going to be taking a look at the PlayStation. It's not the real thing, but I managed to pick this. They like to call him Pura in Japanese, and I picked this specific guy up at Edion. This is a couple years ago actually, so I had this sitting around in my house for a while. It's one I've been wanting to do for a while, so today I have my tools ready. I don't know how long it's gonna take us to build this, but there are some diagrams here on the bottom, so I'm gonna take a wild guess and say 30 minutes, maybe longer, maybe shorter, I have no idea. I'm looking forward to putting this together. Let's go! First things first, take that off. You can still see the price tag. I don't think this is the original price tag. There's a couple under here, so it kind of went down. I think there was one more up on top of that. Maybe it got taken off or it fell off or something. So it was $15.80, as you can see right there. I think I got it for cheaper. I think it was like 1,000 yen. But before that it was $16.80, and then it was $1,900, and then an original of $2,200. So we got quite a deal. We paid about 50% off from that. So, all right, let's pop the box open. PlayStation. I know we all have fond memories of the PlayStation. So this looks like the CD tray or something. And instruction manual. Good, because I'm gonna need this. Everybody, memorize this. I'm actually gonna set it off to the side here so I can see what I'm doing. Hold on, that's not even the front page. Upper unit section. I haven't done one of these models in a while. It's been like several years since I've put together like a plastic model, so I might be a little bit rusty. Don't judge me. Oh, I think this is the controller cable. Pretty cool. Then some internal circuits. Bum bum bum. I got my handy dandy tool. So where do we begin? We need to do B. I'm assuming this is B, right? Yeah. 13? No, 13, 25. B. C. No, I think that's a B. Cut. I know I probably don't have the best tools for this. This is the only tool. I think these ones are easy enough to just kind of bend away. Alright, cool. We got the CD cover. Put that there. I think if we go like that, I can take them out. That's what we really need. 5 goes on this side. Cool, we're halfway done. Alright, next one, we need to take out the body. Again, I'm going to try to do this as carefully as possible. These are way too big though. Some of you might be squinting or cringing real hard right now. In retrospect, I should have probably gotten proper pliers, but we will survive. Alright, with this, we need the button. Open B15, B15 goes here, 15 is this one. Okay, B15. Wait, hold on. Yeah, no, either way. This way, this way. Yes, there we go. We got one button in. Now B16. This goes underneath, like so. Ta-da! Look at that, beautiful. And then D3. I think let's open up this one. Wow, look at all these tiny little stickers. Very cool. D3. This is the B. We need D, A, C. That make this D. D3. 3. Where's D3? After 3 hours of searching, I think we found it. 3. It's this piece right here. Okay, I'll just snap right off. Alright. This flips upside down. This goes in like so, I believe. Good. Need something to put a little pressure on there. There we go. So that was the tiniest plastic right there. Let's take that a little bit off. Alright. Now it feels like we're halfway done. So, next step, we didn't miss anything there. Is this just a snap or a no? Oh man, I wish this was in color so I know which piece I'm looking at. Alright, I got this. How does this look? This way or this way? Cool. And now, this can open. It can open like so. Alright, we're making progress. Next is B1, which I believe is the bottom body part right here. Yeah. It's already off. We can just turn that like so. Alright, I feel like we can take these pieces off a little bit more. Beautiful. Alright, which orientations go? Airflow vents this way, that way. Then we need A1, which is probably going to be that green circuit board I saw. A1. Good. That is it, in fact. Snippity, snappity, boom, boom, boom. Bloop. Alright, let's take out the excess pieces here. So we also need A3. This is a little bit more difficult than I thought it was. Alright, so this goes here. Like that. Right. No. Undo. Right? Yeah, it goes like this. There we go. Whew, safe. Then this one goes. Get that little bit of plastic off. Alright, this one goes like. That slides in like this, I guess. Oh, yeah. It does just slide in like that. Cool. That's fine there. Alright, that goes there, and then this goes about here. Okay, looking good. Then we need this beautiful piece of circuitry. Nice. Snap, snippity snap. Snippity bippity snap. Cool. Alright, then we need the 2 memory card ports. Memory card covers, I should say, which are. Right. So that's B7. What? Ah, here they are. They're like so small, I couldn't even see them. Alright, so memory card goes like this and like this, and then it goes in like this. Nice. Very cool. So you can see, I don't know if you can see it here, because it's facing up, so they go down, but when you tilt it down, they come undone. Cool. So it actually works. I know I don't have all the terminology right. It's just words, right? A13. Where's A13? There's A13, a little motor, basically. A spinny thing. We need another big piece here. Good. 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 Alright, so this goes on here, and then this kind of goes, how does this go actually? On an angle? Yeah, I guess that makes sense. It goes on an angle. Did I miss anything here? No, wait. Oh no, did I miss something? Undo! This tiny little piece here. Okay, that is the proper way. I know that is the proper way. Aha, we did it, finally, see that? This is going to go... where? Right. Is that going after? What? What is going on here? Okay, this does have to go underneath. So did I put this on too early? Okay, that fits. That fits, and then this goes here. Okay. That fits nice and snug. And then the cover goes on. Da-da-da-da. Ooh. Starting to look real nice here. Aha, I did forget something. That's what I forgot. It is A11, which is this thingy right here. Okay, this goes like that. Okay, that makes more sense now. Hopefully that's all there is to it. Open. Close. Open. So don't actually press these buttons, only this one. This one doesn't really do anything, so let's not push it back in. What do we have? We have... hold on. And that cover is over here. Got a tiny little bend in there like that. Have to be careful. And it goes in just like the real thing. So now we're gonna cover that up. Ta-da! That's so cool. That's pretty cool. Alright, then we have the controller. So we need to get all of these little guys here. Prepare to fast forward. Alright, next comes the controller clamshell. So one of my first games on the original PlayStation was actually Crash Bandicoot. I absolutely adore that game as a kid. It was an amazing game. Lots of replayability, lots of hidden areas, lots of gems. The humor was amazing. It was a masterpiece. All right, now we take this. It's just one long cable, or a wire in this case. I have to twirl it up slightly, like this. Done. That was easier than I thought it would be. Okay, next step. We cool. Suddenly we get color instructions. That goes like this. Okay. And then A7, wait, 1, 2, A7, 1, 2. I don't think it matters which side is which. That goes like that. That goes like that. Beautiful. And then the cover port goes on top. That I will probably maybe sand down a little bit later with some other proper tools. Wait, am I missing something here? To let you know it's been done proper. Wait, did I forget something? No? Are they supposed to be exposed like this? Am I missing a piece? No! We forgot another piece. I didn't see that in the instructions the first time around. I still haven't found it either. I gotta go back and... Alright. Oh boy, I hope this one's not too hard to take apart. Alright, can I do it like this? Okay, no, hold on. I can go on after? Or can I just, like, snap on? Yeah, they can just snap on, so I didn't have to take it apart. Alright, next, this goes into the controllers. Oh, no. One of these is a memory card, I think, right? Wait, we're looking for B12. B12 and 11. Ah, yes, this is the controller cable port thing. And this one. What do we got to do here? Got to go like... Okay, a little fine tuning there. Just wrap it around. Close. There's the warning about doing that mistake. Hey! Nice. And now we can just plug it right in. Ta-da! Alright, next one is the memory card. Boom. Boom. And that just closes together, like so. Alright, that was pretty easy. And that fits in here. Yeah, that fits right in. One of my other favorite games was Einhander. I think I'm saying that right. Einhander. It's kind of a weird title. But that was a really cool, kind of a futuristic space shooting game. And it was pretty fun. It had a lot of unique ship designs, and you could pilot these cool ships and then take out other large ships, and it was pretty badass. Alright, stickers. Stickers, where are the stickers? Here we go. So, I got 2 stickers here, so I don't think it matters which one is on top. Oh boy, centering these is going to be tough though. Oh boy, here we go. Okay, we got this. Alright, that's fairly centered. Now the back side, because they did have black discs, not for any copyright reasons, or copyright protection, but just so they were different, so people would know that's a PlayStation game. No, wait. So slightly off, but we got it. Yeah, it's pretty centered. I don't know, slight speck there. Cool. We got our PlayStation game. PlayStation. Put that in here now, yes? Cool. Little snap in there. Cool. Close that. Next, we got more stickers. All the stickers. That goes on here. Maybe I should get tweezers for this. Here they are. It's like I'm Doctor Strange. If he were doing a plastic model. slightly crooked. It's not too noticeable. We have, this one is open. Sesame. I feel like the stickers would have been better put on before this part. Alright. Looking good. Next one we have power. Come on, buddy. Select. I am selecting you. Actually, no, let's reset. Whoops, might be. Why would select be on here? Back side. I'm gonna put this on here. The blooper! And whatever on the sticker, right? Alright. Alright, that was a perfectly placed sticker. The one people will probably least see. Ooh, that was like perfect right there. And then, oh, look at all these tiny little stickers. I don't remember what this port was for. It was like a multi-adapter, right? Was it for the multi-adapter? Let me know in the comments, because I don't remember. Oh, these are, look how tiny these are. Oh my god. This is gonna be a tricky one. I don't even know how to approach this. Maybe like this? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Alright, that's pretty good. That's gotta be the power port. Okay, that's done there. Alright, the console itself is complete. And now we just need oopsie, to do all these buttons. Wait, we also need the memory card, right? Something goes on the memory card. Yeah. Alright, what's next? Anything else? Are we done? No. I guess still got another sticker here. PlayStation memory card. That just goes on the middle, right? And trying to hold this and that at the same time. Alright, that's pretty straight. Alright, memory card. Oh, I still gotta do the memory card slots. Was I supposed to put those on way earlier? Let me go back here a minute. Yeah, I was just to put them way on. Oh. Well, that's on me. Yeah, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be tough to put them on. Do I have to put those on there? I mean, I think everybody knows those are memory card slots. Let's pop this guy open again. Yeah. The game is in. What game is it? I have no idea. We could put anything on there. I think Crash Bandicoot. 1, 2, or 3. Warped was pretty good. Close that. Plug the controller in. Actually, no. Let's plug the memory card in first. Oh, does the memory card not go in? Oh, yeah. No, yeah, that's my B. It goes in there. I'm such a fool. And then the controller goes in there. I haven't used a PlayStation 1 in a long time. And there we go. We got it. We have successfully completed. Wait. We got one more sticker there. Where does that one go? Instructions. Where are you? Ah, it goes on the bottom of the memory card. Gotcha. It's gonna be tough, but. Alright, that was not too bad actually. Yeah. Now I think, let me double check. Besides the memory card, that's good. No pieces remaining. Alright. I think we are finished. The PlayStation 1. I think that's pretty cool. We're finished. This tiny little PlayStation, that's pretty cool. I don't normally see sets like this out very often, so if I see other cool ones like this, I might pick them up in the future. If you like them, let me know. If you're PlayStation fans, and I know there are a lot of PlayStation fans out there, let me know. And maybe they'll have like a PlayStation 2 or something out that I can purchase and add to the collection. So I don't always do just Pokemon cards, of course. I have 2 more. I'm gonna flash them real fast. And another one that I picked up. I'm gonna do it really fast. Maybe you can grab a screenshot of that and find out what it is, but I'm not gonna let out my secrets just yet. So you have to watch for future videos for that. So thank you for watching my PlayStation video, and I'll see you next time on Splatvision.